You've been in pain for years, and you have been diagnosed with degenerative disc disease, ruptured or bulging discs. Maybe you have been told there is nothing that can be done. Perhaps you tried minimally invasive surgery to remove some of the disc or bone structure, or you've been told that the only option is fusion surgery. Now, there may be another option. Over the past 20 years, disc replacement technology has evolved greatly. Led by the world-renowned orthopedic surgeon Dr. Karsten Ritter-Lang, the surgeons at Stenham have helped thousands of patients achieve better results with less complications and quicker recoveries. These patients also return to a more active post-surgical lifestyle than those who have had fusion surgery.
Learn how patients with severe degeneration requiring the stabilization of fusion can still maintain motion using advanced combinations of disc replacement and less invasive spinal fusion technologies. Go to betterdiscreplacement.com now to start your journey.